Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are doing fine and taking great care of yourself. Today, we will be doing the second chapter from our Active Mathematics course book, that is Addition and Subtraction. I know from very small age we are adding, counting, carrying over and borrowing. But now you are old enough to know the certain terms and properties of addition and subtraction to solve and do your sums systematically. Now let's know the terms in addition. Addend, sums. Addends are those numbers which we are supposed to add. When we add, we get an answer. That is called sum. Over here, I have taken an example of 58,762 and 29,765. These two numbers are addends, and when we add them, we get an answer or a total or sum. That is 88,527. Now let's see in this example. 5,68,703 plus 4,27,951. These two are addends and we have to take out the sum. If these numbers were smaller numbers, we could have done in this manner. But these are larger numbers. Now we will regroup these given addends. So let's take the first number, that is 5,68,703, and regroup them according to their place value. As we can see that 3 is in ones place, 0 in tens place, 7 in hundreds, 8 in thousands, 6 in 10,000s and 5 in lakhs. Similarly, we will place the other addend, that is 4,27,951, and place them according to its place value. After regrouping our addends, we will start addition. For addition, we should always remember that we have to start from right to left, from ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s and lakhs, and so on. So we have to start from right hand side and slowly proceed to our left hand side. Now let's take this example. 5,68,703, 4,27,951. If we place 5,68,703 at the top or at the bottom, the sum will never change. We can place both the addends in any order, either top or bottom. Their sum will never change. Now let's come to subtraction. Subtraction also has some terms: minuend, subtrahend and difference. Now what is minuend? Minuend is the number from which a number is subtracted. Subtrahend is the number which is supposed to get subtracted. And when we subtract these two numbers, we get an answer. And that answer is called difference. Minuend, in simpler words, if I can say, It is the bigger number. Subtrahend is the smaller number. And the answer after subtracting smaller number from bigger number is the difference. So 9,87,652 is the minuend. It is a bigger number. 4,30,279 is smaller compared to 9 lakhs. So it is subtrahend. And when we subtract these numbers, what do we get? We get the answer which is known as difference. After knowing the different terms in subtraction, let's see how we subtract the number. Now we can see that we have got a number 9,87,652 minus 4,30,279. The bigger number, or we say minuend, the smaller number which is supposed to get subtracted, is subtrahend. How do we begin? If the number was smaller number, we could have done it right here. But as we see, the numbers are bigger. So what do we have to do? We have to regroup, and after regroup, we have to start from right to left. Now let's see how. First, let's regroup. Now 9,87,652 should be placed according to their place values, which you can see, which is the minuend. And similarly, subtrahend is also supposed to be regrouped and placed according to the place value. I have not shifted any numbers. The numbers I have written as it is. Just have to see that they are in their right place, position. And the answer which we get is the difference. Once we have regrouped the numbers, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract. From where? We have to again start from right to left. From ones, then tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. We have to start from right to left. Now let's understand subtraction with easier and simpler numbers. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Minuend is the number from which the number is supposed to get subtracted. Subtrahend is the number which is supposed to get subtracted. And the answer which we get is the difference. So over here I have taken 10, which is a bigger number, minus 2, which is a smaller number. And what do we get? 8. Similarly, 100 minus 20, we get 80. 1000 minus 200, what do we get? 800. I think so. It must be clear from this that minuend is the bigger number from which the number has to get subtracted. Now there is a method to recheck whether we have done correct subtraction. What is the method? Subtrahend plus difference, we get minuend. Now the subtrahend over here is 2 plus the difference is 8. What do we get? 10, which is our minuend. Again 20, which is our subtrahend, plus 80, which is the difference. And what do we get? 100. Again 200 plus 800, what do we get? 1000. So, if we have to check whether our subtraction is done correctly, how do we do it? Subtrahend plus difference is equal to minuend. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.